Now, application of Laplace transform to solve differential equation with constant coefficient. So when we solve these types of differential equation, two things are compulsory, that in that differential equation always they give the initial coefficients value. They always, you see, the boundary conditions are always given. So if any, what are the steps? First step, taking Laplace transform using property of derivative. Clear? What is property of derivative? I remind you, Laplace transform of, if we have d by dt of ft, that is s ys, sorry, ys, or we can say fs, s fs minus f of 0. Clear? Then if we have 2 times d2 by dt square of ft, 2 times derivative, so s square fs minus s f0 minus f dash of 0. Clear? So, and simply Laplace transform of ft is f of s. So this we use property of derivative for taking Laplace of each term. Step 1. Step 2, separating the ys, or we can say fs in one side and all s, only s and constant term on other side. Separating. Third, taking inverse Laplace, you will get required solution. So now I solve one example so you can better understand how to solve these equation with the help of Laplace transform. So go for one example. Question is, solve y double dash plus 4y dash plus 8y equal to 1 given y0 is equal to 0 and y dash 0 is equal to 1. Always give the boundary condition because we have to remove these values. So now step 1, taking Laplace transform both the side. Clear? So for this term, y double dash means d2y by dt square. Clear? So this is s square ys. At the place of fs we write ys minus s y small y 0 minus y dash 0. Clear? Plus 4 y dash one time, so s y s minus y 0 plus 8 of ys, Laplace transform of yt is y, and 1 is given by Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. Clear? Step 2, substituting these initial values. So here this term goes 0, this equal to 1, this term goes 0. So what is remaining? We can see from here to here, s square ys minus this is 1, so 1 plus 4sys plus 8ys equal to 1 by s. Now separating the terms, ys one side, s and constant other side. Step 2. So see, ys, coefficient of y, s square plus 4s plus 8 equal to 1 by s plus s. So 1 by s plus s means s plus 1 by s. Is this easy? Yes. Just 1 by s plus s minus 1 goes. So I take the LCM. Now next, only what is the value of ys is s plus 1 upon s square plus 4s plus 8. So this is our inverse Laplace. Clear? After this, same, now we are taking the inverse Laplace of this function. For taking the inverse Laplace, both the side, inverse Laplace of ys is given yt. So value of yt we can find out, and for this inverse Laplace we use the partial fraction for separating the term. So first we use partial fraction. What is s plus 1 upon s square plus 4s plus 8? With the partial fraction we separating the term. So this is a by s plus bs plus c upon s square plus 4s plus 8. Clear? Now same, s plus 1 is equal to a s square plus 4s plus 8 plus b s square plus c s. Clear? Taking the LCM, denominator cancel, only numerator will be left. Now same, putting s is equal to 0, 1, 2 or comparing the coefficient of s square, s cube, you will get the values of a, b, c. So I just directly substitute the value of a, b, c. When we solve, a is equal to 1 by 8, b is equal to minus 1 by 8 and c is equal to minus 1 by 2. C is equal to plus 1 by 2. Clear? So now this is coefficient value of this. Substitute here and simplify it. So now I go for substitution. ys, not fs, because here our term in ys is equal to given by 1 by 8s. A is 1 by 8 plus b is minus 1 by. So s upon 8 s square plus 4s plus 8. Clear? Then third term is plus 1 by 2 s square plus 4s plus 8. Just substituting the value of a, b and c. Clear? Next step, when we substitute, now we can easily last step, taking inverse Laplace transform both the side. Clear? So this gives yt equal to this 1 by 8, s 1 by s is 1. So this gives 1. We see this is s plus 2 minus 2. We can do like this. So this also gives, these terms become s plus 2 whole square is s square plus 4s plus 4 and plus 4. 8 we break 4 plus 4. So this same here we can write s plus 2 whole square plus 4. Clear? So now see there are two parts. One factor with this, other one is minus 2 upon this. Clear? So with this s plus 2 whole square plus 4 means e to the power, yes, e to the power minus 2t and s by s square plus 4 is cos 2t. So minus 1 by 8 e to the power minus 2t cos of 2t. Clear? Next term, this is minus minus plus 1 by 4 of this, and this is plus 1 by 2 of this. So what is this? This is 1 by 3 by 8 of this factor when we combine these two. So this is 3 by 8 of this. So we write plus 3 by 8 and this is same e to the power minus 2t of sine 2t by 2. Clear? So now e to the power minus 2t sine 2t by 2. So that is the required solution of given differential equation. If you go step by step, if you know about the Laplace and inverse Laplace transform, you will easily get the solution. First take the Laplace transform with the property of derivative, then apply the initial condition. Next step, separate s and constant term both different side, and then taking inverse Laplace. That's all for today. In next video you can see how to solve the simultaneous differential equation with the help of Laplace transform. Thank you very much.